Hey guys, welcome to ForGenesis TV.
This is my mom with me.
And this is my baby Genesis. So guys, today we're gonna actually make you slime. We're super excited to be making slime.
Slime.
Yes. So, are you ready to make some slime, Genesis?
Yeah.
Absolutely, I am too.
I made some pink slime.
We're making pink slime. Genesis is super excited.
I love it.
She loves it. She's been wanting to do that ever since we bought the slime. So now we're finally ready to make the slime.
Red.
And you want some red. They're both pink, but yes, close enough. Okay, so what we're gonna be doing now, guys, is we're going to be filling it up with some glue. So we're making slime from absolute scratch, right, Genesis?
Yeah.
Right.
Don't show we did eat it.
No, we're not, guys. We're not supposed to eat it, okay? Genesis knows we're not supposed to eat it. That's not ice cream. That's shaving cream. We're not supposed to eat that either. That's shaving cream, okay? Don't eat it. Warning for you guys at home. No eating slime. It's just for fun. So, Genesis, are you ready to have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Say yeah.
Yay. I'm super.
She's obsessed with superheroes right now. So, yep, she's a superhero. What's your name again?
Jenny Kensley.
Jenny Kensley. That's her name. And FYI, that's her superhero name because she is a superhero. High five.
Superhero.
High five.
Like Jenny superhero and a pink superhero. We know that I'm a pink superhero.
So guys, her favorite color is pink. Hence why we are doing pink slime. Genesis literally is obsessed with pink. She wants to wear it. Anything pink, it belongs to her. That's why we have her water cup. It has to be pink because she's just obsessed with pink because she is a typical girl. Right, Jenny?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So what we have here for our slime, I'm going to show you guys the ingredients here. So we do have our bowl. We're going to be mixing it all up in our bowl here.
I want my bowl.
Yes. This is our first, baby, what's the first ingredients that you put in your slime? Shaving cream.
Shaving cream.
So you shake it. We got to shake it, guys.
Shake it, shake it,
shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. No, shaving cream. So help me press it down, okay? We got to add 3 cups of shaving cream. Well, this is pretty much 3 cups, so we're just going to be adding it here. Adding it all in there as much as possible. Okay. Okay. That's enough for now. And if we need more, we can just add more. Now, no, baby, that's okay. So now we are going to add, so we add the glue. No, not that one, baby. Look. Let's just do this glue first.
Make it. Let's make it.
Now we have to mix it. Okay, come.
Mama.
Yeah, baby?
I don't want to make it.
You want to do it all by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, Miss Independent. Yay. Mix, Jenny. So right now, Jenny is adding the pink glue to our slime because she just loves pink. Okay. Okay, Genesis, so what are you doing now? You are mixing. I'm not seeing a lot of pink. So let me just help you mix, okay? I'll add the pink glue and you can mix it.
Mommy, make this. Squeeze it.
Squeeze it with you. She's showing you how to squeeze it. You do it, baby.
Okay.
Okay, keep shaking, it'll come out. Keep shaking.
Oh no, can't see.
You can, oh look, see? It's gonna fall on the table. So you gotta just keep shaking. And it'll come in. It's just glue, so it's gonna be a little bit slower. Whoa, look at that. Isn't that so pretty? Wow, look at all the glue. Okay, you do it. And what kind of glue is this, Jenny?
Pink.
It's pink, but what does it do? Look, guys, it's glow in the dark. This can focus. Glow in the dark glue. All right.
Shake, shake, shake.
Shake, shake, shake. Make sure it's going in the bowl though, please. Shake, 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 Jenny. Shake, shake, shake.
Uh-oh, look, I need some towel.
No. Look. Just put it down. Oh, you got some on your hand? It's okay because we're gonna get our hands in there now.
I want some towel.
It's okay, baby. You don't need it yet. We're gonna mix it with our hands soon. So that's okay if your hands get dirty now. Good job, girl. Good job, Jenny. Now mix it with the spoon, okay?
Oh, that's awesome.
That's so awesome. Look at that. Whoa, we did it. Well, it's kind of a fail, guys, because I think I may have added too much shaving cream and not enough glue. We had 3 packets of glue, but clearly we did something wrong. So Genesis looks like she has slime hands and ooh, this is getting messy. Jen, how do you feel? This is your first time making slime. First time we've ever tried this. I think we'll try again.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think we can definitely try again.
Hi guys. Now we do it our channel.
Now we're doing our channel. That's what she said. Okay, this is my little princess. Look how you, oh, look at you looking so pretty. This is our first time trying to do this. It didn't come out the best way possible because there it is. Kind of a fail. I have to say it's probably a big fail. But it's okay because we are gonna have fun in our own little rendition of slime. Do you still like it?
Go my slime making slime.
Got messy making slime.
Now make it. Now make it like a master.
She really wants to make Game Master slime. Don't know how we're gonna do that, but that video is gonna come because we're gonna figure it out. Mommy's gonna figure it out, and Jenny is gonna figure it out. We're gonna make Game Master slime, guys.
Yay! Make it our channel.
Thank you for coming to our channel. Make sure you like and subscribe. Leave a comments down below.
Bye.
Bye.